Good morning students. Today we will study class 7th and chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 is your ratio and proportion. Chapter number 8 is ratio and proportion. We will start from the exercise 8A. Exercise 8A. Before starting this exercise, let me provide you the worksheet. I have told you in my last class that I will provide you the worksheet of chapter number 6 algebraic expression. The worksheet of chapter number 6 algebraic expression is you have to complete the last exercise, because in last exercise of chapter number 6 it is a miscellaneous exercise and you have to do only the tick the correct option. Okay, so let's start exercise 8A. Exercise 8A, the first question is given, express each of the following ratio in simplest form. आपको ये सारे जो भी रेशियो दे रखे हैं इसमें आपको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन टू यू 24, आफ्टर दैट रेशियो 40. दिस साइन इज ऑफ रेशियो साइन. ये आपका रेशियो साइन है, रेशियो. ओके, 24 ratio 40, you have to convert 24 ratio 40 in simplest form. Before converting into the simplest form, first of all you have to take the HCF of 24 and 40. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Same you have to do here. 40, 2 2s are 4, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Right here 24 and 40. 24, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, last 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 5. This 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It means that HCF of 24 and 40 is 8. जो आपका HCF आया है 24 और 40 का, वो आया है 8. So 24 divided by 8 upon 40 divided by 8. When you are dividing the 24, 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24. अगर हम 24 को 8 से डिवाइड करते हैं, if we are dividing the 24, 8 3 24. Same case in 40, 8 5 40. Okay, it means the ratio should be 3 ratio 5. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer, 3 ratio 5. Now I am mentioning here homework exercise 8A, question number 1. In question number 1 you have to do part 2nd to 6th. Part 2nd to 6th in question number 1. Now we will discuss question number 2. The question number 2 is given. Question number 2 is given, express each of the following ratio in simplest form. It is same question but slightly different. Given here 75 paisa, ratio 3 rupees. Ratio 3 rupees. 75 पैसा रेशियो 3 रुपीज. 1 पैसा 1 रुपी इक्वल्स टू 100 पैसा. 1 रुपए में 100 पैसे होते हैं. नाउ 3 रुपीज इक्वल्स टू 3 इंटू 100 मीन्स 300 पैसा. नाउ इट विल बी योर 75 रेशियो 300. 75 रेशियो 300, 75 upon 300. When you are taking the HCF of 75 and 300, your HCF will be 75 only. 75 divided by 75 upon 300 divided by 75. जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, when you are dividing this, it will be 1 upon 4 means 1 ratio 4 पैसा is your answer. In question number 2nd, part 2nd to 6th, you have to do question number 2nd, part 2nd to 6th. You have to do. Same questions are given here. Now let's come to question number 3. Question number 3 is given A ratio B Question number 3 is given here. A ratio B equals to 7 ratio 5, B ratio C equals to 9 ratio 14. After that, last one you have to find A ratio C. आपको A ratio C find करना है. Now let's work with this one solution. A ratio B equals to 7 ratio 5 means A upon B equals to 7 upon 5 and B ratio C equals to 9 ratio 14. After that, B upon C equals to 9 upon 14. Okay? B ratio A ratio B आपको दे रखा है 7 upon 5 and B ratio C आपको दे रखा है 9 upon 14. 9 ratio 14. What you have to do in this? After that, A upon B multiply B upon C. B and B cancel, A upon C left here. Now see here, A upon B is given to you 7 upon 5. After that, B upon C is given to you 9 upon 14. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. A upon C equals to 9 upon 5 2 is 10. तो A ratio C कितना आया है आपका 9 ratio 10. This is your answer. Now question number 4, 5, 6 you have to do. Question number 4, 5 and 6. All these are questions. All questions are so same. Now let's come to question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given divide rupees 360 between Kunal and Mohit in ratio 7 ratio 8. Question number 7, divide rupees 360 between Kunal and Mohit. Kunal and Mohit in ratio 7 ratio 8. Okay, this is the question given to you. Now first of all, solution. Kunal equals to 360 multiply 7 upon 8. Okay, 360 multiply 7 upon 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 16, 8 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 4 is 30, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 30, 36. Mean 360 when you are dividing 360 with 8. Now 360 divided by 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 30 or 40, 8 6 is 40, 8 7 is 50. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is it will become here 24. 8 divided by 36 will be 24 here. Okay. How it will come? See here, 360 multiply 7 upon 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 0. After that, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Means 45. Okay, 800, it will be your 45. Now Kunal. After that, Mohit. 360 multiply 8 upon 15. 8 upon 15. Dear student, is slightly different. First of all, you have to take the HCF of 7 and 8. When you are taking the HCF of 7 and 8, जब आप 7 और 8 का LCM लोगे, it will be your HCF will be your you have to not take the LCM, you have to add the ratio 7 plus 8 means your ratio will be your 15. Now the solution will be Kunal equals to rupees 360 multiplied by 7 upon 15 and same here Mohit equals to rupees 360 multiply 8 upon 15. 15 24s are 15 24s are. After that 24 multiply by 7, 24 multiply by 8. जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें 24 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 मींस 168, 24 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 विल बी योर 192. दिस इज द रेशियो. 168 रुपीज कुणाल को दिए जाएंगे, 192 रुपीज मोहित को दिए जाएंगे. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9 आर सेम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9 you have to do. Now let's come to question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 will be what number must be added to each term of ratio 9:16 to make ratio 2:3. After that 9:16 to make 2:3. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो कि हम 9:16 में ऐड करेंगे to make 2:3. Now what you have to do in solution, let the number be x. हमने एक नंबर x मान लिया है, so 9 plus x ratio 16 plus x. Okay, 9 plus x ratio 16 plus x equals to 2:3. Now what you have to do, 9 plus x upon 16 plus x multiply 2 upon 3. Okay, you have to do the cross multiplication like this, 3 from this and 2 from this. 18 plus 3x equals to 32 plus 2x. Okay, 9 is 27. 27 plus 3x. 27 plus 3x equals to 32 plus 2x. Now 32 minus 27 equals to 3x minus 2x. Here 32 minus 27 will be your 5 equals to 3 minus 2 1x. This is your answer. Now you have to do question number 11. Okay, question number 11 is same. Okay, 9, 8, 9, 11. 10 I have explained you. Now see question number 12. Question number 12 in this exercise is two numbers are in ratio. दो नंबर है रेशियो में है. Two numbers are in ratio. Question number 12. The numbers are 7:11. If 7 is added to each of the number, the ratio becomes 2:3. अगर if 7 is added, अगर 7 ऐड करते हैं हम ईच नंबर में तो हमारा रेशियो होता है 2:3. हमको नंबर फाइंड करना है. सॉल्यूशन, लेट द नंबर बी x. हमने एक नंबर x ले लिया है. नाउ 7x plus 7 रेशियो 11x plus 7 equals to 2:3. ओके, 7x plus 7 और 11x plus 7 equals to 2:3. Now 7x plus 7 upon 11x plus 7 multiply 2 upon 3. Same process you have to do. Cross multiplication. 7 3s are 21x plus 7 3s are 21 equals to 22x plus 7 2s are 14. Okay, 21x plus 21 equals to 22x plus 14. What you have to do, you have to arrange this. 21x minus, sorry, it will be 21 minus 14 equals to 22x minus 21x. Or here it will be 7 equals to 21 minus 22 minus 21. It will be x equals to 7. Now question number 12 I have explained you. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Up to question number 19, 11, 12 I have explained you. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 are same question. You have to do like this only. After that, let's come to question number 20. In question number 20, it is given in question number 20 is also same. 19, 20 is also same. There is slightly 20 after that. It is up to 25. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. All questions are same. You have to find the value of x only in all these question. Now let's come to our next exercise, exercise 8b. Exercise 8b. In exercise 8b, it is given, first question is, show that 30, 40, 45, 60 are in proportion. You have to find exercise 8b question number 1, 30, 40, 45 and 60. 45, 60 are in proportion. It means that these all are in proportion. What you have to do in solution? 30 multiplied by 60 equals to 40 multiplied by 40. 45. This is extreme and this is your means. If the multiplication is becomes same, first extreme equals to means 30 multiplied by 60. When you are doing 30 multiplied by 60, 30 multiplied by 60 equals to 1800. After that 40 multiplied by 45 equals to 1800. Means 30 ratio 40 ratio 45 ratio 60. This is your answer because all are same. Now question number 2, 3 up to this exercise is also same questions, only question number 9 is slightly different here. 9, 11 and 12. I am explaining you 9, 11 and 12 you have to do in this exercise 8b. 8b question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 I am explaining you. 9 question is given. Question number 9. Question number 9 is given. Find the third proportional to 8 and 12. आपको थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल फाइंड करना है. आपको दिया हुआ है 8 and 12. What you have to do? Let x be the third proportional. हमने x ले लिया है थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल. नाउ 8 रेशियो 12 इक्वल्स टू रेशियो 12 रेशियो x. हमने एक ले लिया है x. नाउ 8 मल्टीप्लाई x इक्वल्स टू 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x. 12 multiplied by 12. Okay, this is extreme and this is means. Oh, this one. Now 8x equals to 144. X equals to 144 upon 8. Now x equals to 18. This is your answer. In this question number 9, there are parts given to you. For second and third you have to do. Question number 9 part second and third. Question number 10 is same, and after that I am explaining you question number 11. Well, question number 11 is also same. You have to do nothing in question number 11 also. It is same as question number 9. Now you have to do question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You have to find the value of x only in all these questions. Now tomorrow I will provide you the worksheet of chapter number 6 and chapter number 8. Your chapter number 8 has been completed. Thank you and have a nice day.